let's talk about new moon energy. Okay, so you can actually harness the energy of the moon and use it to your favor. You can even create fun little rituals. So I figured I would make a video for how to use the full moon energy to your benefit, and also how to use the new moon energy for your benefit. So we have the new moon coming first, so I'm going to talk about that. The new moon is a time to manifest. That's when you want to set your intentions and really claim what you want. What do you want? I think it's really fun to write this out and really sit with it and think about it. And on the flip side, just so you are clear, the full moon, a lot of people think the full moon is when you manifest, but actually the full moon is when you release and let go. So use the full moon to let go of what you don't want anymore, to make space for what you do want. And then the new moon is when you claim what you do want. So I wanted to make this video. I know some people had it mixed up, and I thought I would jump on here and just make this quick video for you. If you have any questions, let me know. I have a ton more videos. Have a peek at those, and if you liked this video, give a thumbs up, please. I'm Shel Dransart, and please subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to stay connected with you. And I wish you all the best, and I wish you another beautiful week.